Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday, lifted by shares in retailing, software and services, as well as semiconductors and semiconductor equipment sectors. Now on the economic docket, housing starts increasing to 1.32 million units in March. This from 1.3 million units in February. Building permits slightly improving to 1.35 million, and industrial production advancing 0.5% month over month during the month of March. Advancers ahead of decliners, 79% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now after the markets closed, United Continental reporting first quarter adjusted EPS of 50 cents on operating revenue up 7% year over year. IBM announcing first quarter operating EPS up 4% year over year to $2.45, while Lam Research unveiling third quarter adjusted EPS of $4.79 on revenue of $2.89 billion. Turning overseas, the Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei up 1.42%. The Hang Seng up just about 0.75%. China's CSI 300 up just under 0.5%, while South Korea's Kospi up 1.07%. European markets consolidating, and U.S. futures calling for a slightly positive start. In terms of expectations today, Abbott Laboratories first quarter EPS seen at 58 cents on sales of approximately $7.3 billion. American Express first quarter EPS seen at $1.71, while Kinder Morgan first quarter EPS seen at 21 cents. Morgan Stanley first quarter EPS seen at $1.25. Well, on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have remarks from Federal Reserve's Dudley at the Community Bank Conference, while 2 o'clock this afternoon, we have the Federal Reserve's Beige Book. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees the upside prevail, while the Nasdaq also sees the upside prevail, but that's also in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further upside. Long positions above 67.1750 are favored, with targets at 69.30 and 69.7350 in extension. And lastly, the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 24,630.